Yes,
Okay.
I visible. It's visible.
So you're all joined for Salesforce. And today I'm not going to discuss any technical things. Okay. So very generic information that you already know and you already hear. And whatever topics I'm going to deliver next 40-50 minute session. Okay. That you already know. So nothing is new for you. Today's class is very simple, very understandable. Even a layman also can easily understand today's class. For this, you do not require any prior knowledge on software. Understand? Even a layman also, non-technical person also can easily understand today's class. Understand all of you? Okay. So that is why everybody please concentrate, try to understand what I'm asking, because for every question you have the answer, because it's generic information only. Okay. I'm not going to discuss any technical things or technical information here. Fine. Any one of you, please tell me. I'm going to start my class with a simple question. Okay. What is Salesforce? What is Salesforce? Tell me any answer, no problem. It's not entire room.
So Salesforce is basically a company, software company.
Oh, Salesforce is a company. Very good. Okay. Just like TCS, Tech Mahindra kind of company.
It's a software company.
Of course, TCS and Tech Mahindra is also software companies. Or no? Just like TCS, Tech Mahindra, Salesforce is also a company.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. It is also.
What is your name? What is your name?
So my name is Chandan.
Chandan Singh. Very good, Chandan. I will tell you. Actually, in IT industry, we have two types of companies. Only two types of companies. One is vendor companies. The other one is what? Development companies. Vendor companies are different. Development companies are different. Vendor companies can also be called as product-based companies. Development companies can also be called as service-based companies. Understand, Chandan?
Yes, sir.
Like that in IT industry, how many types of companies we have?
Two types of companies.
Vendor companies, development companies. Vendor companies can also be called as product-based companies. Development company can also be called as what? Service-based companies. Understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Good. Is any one of you, please tell me some vendor company names?
Google,
Good, very good. Google,
Microsoft,
very good. Microsoft,
Oracle, sir.
AP, Oracle,
IBM.
IBM. So these are all vendor companies. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Development company names, please tell me.
TCS,
TCS,
Accenture,
TTS. Good. Accenture,
Tech Mahindra,
Tech Mahindra,
Infosys.
Capgemini. Come on.
Infosys, sir.
Infosys. These are the companies that comes under what? Development. So Google, Microsoft, SAP, Oracle, IBM, these are all vendor companies. Like these companies, as Chandan said, Salesforce is also a vendor company. It's not development company. It's what kind of company it is? It's a vendor company or product-based company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company's CEO is Mark Benioff. Mark Benioff is the CEO of this company. This company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. Is anyone here its name? Cloud technology, cloud computing? Yes or no?
So we have heard it.
Very good. So once again, I'm repeating, guys. Google, Microsoft, SAP, Oracle, IBM, like these companies. Salesforce is also a vendor company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company's CEO is Mark Benioff. This company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, what kind of companies can be called as vendor companies? What exactly they are doing in the market? What kind of business they are doing? What is their mode of business? What exactly they are doing in the market is vendor companies are those companies that develops new software products. What they are developing? They are developing what? New software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases, some technologies, some packages, some applications. These are all what? Software products. This kind of software products are developed by vendor companies. For example, Google company developed Gmail application. Yes or no?
Yes.
Like that, Microsoft company developed Windows operating system. SAP company developed some programming language called ABAP. Some people know about this name. Yes or no? Oracle company developed Oracle database. IBM company developed one database called DB2. Like that, vendor companies are those kind of companies that develops new software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases, technologies, packages, like applications. These are all software products. All these new software products are developed by vendor companies. Using these products, development companies or service-based companies develops software. Come on, what is this? Application. So the difference between vendor companies and development companies are vendor companies develops what? Come on, all of you.
Software products.
And whereas development companies are develops what?
Software applications.
Software applications. Software products are different. Software applications are different. Using software products like programming languages, operating systems, databases, development companies are developing what? Software applications. But my question is, development companies are develop software applications for whom? For whom they will develop? Come on. Are they develop software applications for their own purpose?
No, sir, for general public or maybe clients.
For whom? For clients. Yes or no? Very good. For, come on.
Clients.
Understand the point here? Who are the clients here? Clients are nothing but business people. They are doing some different kinds of businesses in the market. Some people are doing some banking business. Some people doing some insurance business. And also some people doing some, what do you call, something like hospital business. Okay. Some people doing some automobile business. And also some people doing some telecom business. Some people doing some hotel business. Some people doing some education business. Yes or no? Like
Yes, sir.
that, we have different kinds of businesses are in the market. Tell me, which are the companies are belongs to banking business? Tell me some names.
Sir, ICICI.
Very good. ICICI. Next one.
Standard Chartered.
HCFC. State Bank of India. Bank of America. Sir, no.
Yes, sir.
These are all comes under banking industries. Can you please tell me some insurance companies?
LIC.
LIC. Very good. Could you please tell me some hospitals?
Apollo Max. Paris, Fortis.
Apollo.
Apollo Hospital. Yes or no?
Yes.
Care hospitals. KIMS hospitals. These are all comes under what? Comes under what? Auto hospitals. Automobile companies.
Maruti Suzuki.
Hyundai. Maruti.
Toyota.
Toyota.
Kia.
Kia. Very good. Okay. Mercedes-Benz. Audi. Speak out. BMW. These are all what? Automobile business. Telecom business. Airtel.
Jio.
Hotel business.
Taj.
ITC Kakatiya.
Oyo.
Hotels. They're all education business. ANTU. The example for what? Education. Point
Durga
here
Soft is
alone.
also.
Sorry?
Durga Soft is also education company.
Oh, Durga is also education business. Very good. Okay. So these are all what? Clients. So development companies are developing software applications as per the requirement of clients. The clients are going to use software applications in their business. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Wherever you go, suppose if you go to any hospital, if you go to any telecom company, if you go to any hotel, if you go to any shopping mall, if you go to any college or university, wherever you go, we can see software applications. Okay, we can see some systems. They're using software in their applications. Yes or no? In the business. Tell me,
Yes.
my question is, what is the advantage of using software applications in the business? What are the advantages of using software applications in the business? Tell me, guys, in India, software boom came into the market last 20-25 years. Yes or no? Speak out, guys.
Yes, sir.
Or maximum 30 years. Before 30 years back, there is no much software in India. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. 35 years back, if you go back, if you go to any bank or any insurance company or any hospital, they did the business through manually. Yes or no?
Yes.
Or everything paperwork. They do not use any software applications. They do not use any systems in their business. Everything on paperwork, manual they are doing. But today, completely scenario change. Wherever you go, everybody using what? Completely computerized. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, nobody using paper, nobody using manual. Everything through what? Computerized. Tell me, what is the advantage of using software applications in the business? They did the business without using software. Now they are doing business using software. What are the extra advantages of using software applications in the business? That's my question.
So it saves a lot of time.
Very good. Saves a lot of time.
Create a space to increase our market.
Very good. Next one.
Storage combat.
Importantly, what is it? Security is important. Yes or no? And also, what is the next one here? One, scalability. These are the three major advantages of using software applications in business. What is the first advantage? It saves time, security, and also what? Scalability. For example, Chandan,
Yes, sir.
may I know you belongs to which place?
Sir, Allahabad, UP.
Allahabad, UP. Oh, very good. Amitabh Bachchan birthplace.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Allahabad, UP. Good. I came Allahabad once. In Allahabad, I visited one temple, Nehru House, and also I visited some temple, Anjaneya Swami temple, Hanuman temple.
Okay, that is very popular.
Yeah, very popular. Not standing, yes or no? It's laid on,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Yes, yes. Very good. Okay. Suppose, let us assume myself is Sainath. I'm living in Hyderabad. And Chandan, he is living in Aurangabad, Allahabad. This is UP. I'm in Hyderabad. We both are friends. I'm talking about 40 years back, not now. Okay. 40 years back, we both are friends. Suppose 40 years back, Chandan called me, okay, and requested me to transfer 10,000 rupees into his account. So if you want to transfer 10,000 rupees in his account, what I have to do? I have the account in SBI, State Bank of India. He is having the account in Punjab National Bank, PNB. So what I have to do? I have to go to SBI. Here I'm going to take some withdraw form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. I need to wait for some time. After that, again, withdraw 10,000 rupees from my account. Then I need to go to Punjab National Bank. There I'm going to take some deposit form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. I need to wait for some time. Then I can deposit 10,000 rupees into my friend's account. Now tell me, all of you, the whole process takes near about approximately 1 to 1.5 hour time or not? Come on,
Yes, sir. It does.
1 to 1.5 hour time it takes. That is long back story. If I want to transfer 10,000 rupees into my friend's account, I no need to go to the bank. I simply open my mobile. I can use Phone Pay. I can use Google Pay. I can use Amazon Pay. Yes or no? I can use Paytm. I can use net banking. Come on. I can use what? Mobile banking. Am I clear this point?
Yes, sir.
So using Phone Pay or Google Pay, I can easily transfer the amount from my account to my friend's account just within 1 or 2 minutes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Phone Pay, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, Paytm, net banking, mobile banking, what are all these? These are all software applications or not? Come on, guys. Come on, speak out.
Yes, sir.
These are all software applications. If I'm using software application, am I saving my time or not?
Yes, sir.
If I'm not using software applications, what I have to do? I don't have software application. I have to go to the bank. I have to take withdraw form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. I need to wait for some time. Then again, I need to go to some other bank. There I'm going to take deposit form. I need to stand in the queue. I need to fill the form. It takes a lot of time. But
Yes.
because of this, I no need to go to the bank. Without going to the bank, I can pay through what? Phone Pay, Google Pay. Not only transfer the funds, I can recharge my mobile. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. I can pay my phone bill, postpaid bill, or I can pay electricity bill. Say yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now, nowadays, you don't need to go to any telephone exchange and you don't need to pay the bill, or you don't need to go to any current office or power office and you don't need to pay the bill. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everything we can perform through what? Through online. Yes or no?
Right.
Using what? Phone Pay, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, and all. What are all these? These are all what? Software applications. Using these applications, okay, we can easily transfer the funds from your account to your friend's account. And also we can recharge your mobile, prepaid or postpaid. And also you can what? You can pay the electricity bill. Even some other options also you can perform, operations also you can perform. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it's all saves your time or not. So this is the first advantage of what here. Come on,
And
using software application. Is all of you understand this example clearly?
yes, sir.
Come on. This is the first advantage. Saves your time.
Time.
What is second advantage?
Security.
Security. What way it provides security? Point is very simple. Point is very simple. Suppose I want to buy something. In the supermarket. Yes or no? If I want to buy something in the supermarket, I need to carry some cash with me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Without carrying the cash, I cannot buy anything. That is long back story. Yes or no? Nowadays, we no need to carry the cash. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I can simply go to the supermarket. I can buy whatever I want. I can pay through what? Come on. Credit card. I can pay through what? Debit card. Or I can use what? Google Pay or Phone Pay or Amazon Pay or Paytm. I can use these applications also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, once you do not carry the cash with you, indirectly you're getting security for your cash or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Nobody can stolen anything from your side because you don't have what?
Don't have cash.
Cash in your pocket. Yes or no?
Yes.
Record guys, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. So in that way, you're getting security. And what is the last and final one here? Scalability. What is the exact meaning of scalability? Take the previous example only. Everybody speak out. Where my friend is living? Speak out.
Wow.
Where my friend is living? Come on.
Allahabad.
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 I'm talking about 40 years back matter. My friend is living in Allahabad. And where I'm living?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. 40 years back. I withdraw 10,000 rupees from my bank SBI. If I want to deposit 10,000 rupees into my friend's account, I need to travel all the way from Hyderabad to where?
Allahabad.
Allahabad. And I have to go to the bank where my friend, I have to go to the branch where my friend is open the account. I have to go to that branch only. In that branch only I can deposit. Why? Because 40 years back, every bank, every branch working independently. One bank is nowhere related to other bank. One branch is nowhere related to other branch. But with the help of software, we can integrate all the banks. We can integrate all the branches across the globe. Understand all of you?
Yes.
This is called what here? Scalability. So we can achieve scalability using what? Come on.
Software.
Software. That is the reason across the globe, we can easily transfer the funds from any bank to any bank, from any branch to any branch in the world. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is all about scalability. That scalability we can achieve through what? Come on.
Software applications.
You can achieve through software. My point is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Everyone in the class. So as of
Yes, sir.
now, we discussed about how many important advantages. Come on. 3 advantages. What is the first advantage? Everybody speak out.
Time.
Time.
It saves a lot of time.
Time. Second advantage,
Security.
you'll get the security. Third advantage,
Scalability.
Scalability.
availability. All of you understand all the three advantages now?
Sir, is
Yeah, Chandrasekhar, tell me.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, who is speaking? What is your doubt? Anybody have any doubts? You can ask the questions, please. No problem.
Can you please explain scalability for one more time?
Yeah, scalability means we can integrate all the banks in the world. We can integrate all the branches in the world. That is called what? Scalability.
Okay.
So that we can easily transfer the funds from any bank to any bank nowadays. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you have the Citibank account. I have SBI account. I can transfer the funds from SBI to what? Citibank. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is called scalability. Every bank, every branch working independently earlier. Now, all the banks, all the branches are integrated together. That is why we can easily transfer the funds from any bank to any bank, from any bank to any branch. This is all about scalability. Understand, Rohit Raj?
Yes, sir.
Good. So I hope all of you understand all these three advantages of using software applications. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And now I'm going to discuss about difficulties of using, come on, software applications. Difficulties of using software applications. Okay. Listen carefully. This point is very, very important. Please concentrate, all of you, and try to understand what I'm speaking here. Suppose I'm a business person. I have a company called ABC Company. What is my company name?
ABC.
ABC.
This company is going to start maybe next year. This company is going to start next year. For my company activities, I need some software application. So I given this project to a company called TCS. Tell me, all of you, what is TCS here?
Service-based company.
TCS is a development company, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
TCS point of view, who is ABC?
Client.
Client.
Very good. Client. So TCS need to develop the software application as per the client requirement ABC. Yes or no?
Yes.
If they want to develop the application as per the ABC company requirement, TCS need some programming language, some database, and also some operating system. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes, sir.
So without operating system, without database, without programming language, it is not possible to develop any application for any client. Understand the point clearly?
Yes.
Once again, I'm repeating. Listen carefully, all of you. Hello.
Yes, sir.
If TCS wants to develop the software application as per the client requirement, TCS need minimum three things. How many?
Programming language.
One programming language, one database, one operating system. Without having these three, it is not possible to develop any application for any client. In this example, TCS wants to develop the application using a programming language called ABAP. Is anyone know about this programming language name? ABAP. ABAP is a programming language developed with which company?
SAP.
SAP company. Very popular database. Which database?
Correct.
Oracle. Oracle database developed which company?
Oracle.
Oracle. Very popular operating system. What is that?
Windows.
Windows. Developed which company?
Microsoft.
Microsoft. Yes or no? ABAP programming language developed by vendor company SAP. Oracle database developed by vendor company called Oracle. Windows operating system developed by Microsoft vendor company. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, simple question I'm asking. Is TCS can use pirated software to develop the application?
No, sir.
Not
They
use.
need a license.
TCS should not use pirated software.
No, sir.
TCS has to use what? Original.
License.
Licensed software.
Ah, very good. Original licensed software. Original licensed software from, come on,
Product based companies.
vendor companies. They need to buy development company need to buy original licensed software from, come on,
Vendor company.
vendor companies. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Do you know the cost of ABAP programming language? Original software cost? Let us assume 5 lakhs, approximately. Do you know the original cost of Oracle software? Original license cost? Approximately 15 lakhs. Do you know Windows operating system software? Come on. Approximately 5 lakhs. Total how much?
25 lakhs.
Lakh. In this example, TCS invested how much?
25 lakhs.
Come on.
25 lakhs.
25 lakhs. They bought how many products? 3 products from how many companies?
Three
3
companies.
vendor companies. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. And using these 3 products, TCS developed application as per the client requirement. And tomorrow, the client is going to use this application. If they want to use this application, even client systems also require what? Windows operating system, Oracle database, ABAP programming language. Then only this application can run. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is why even client also need to buy all these 3 products. So even client also need to invest how much here? Come on,
25 lakhs.
25 lakhs. Point clear? So total how much business coming to vendor companies? 20 lakhs business. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
25 lakhs from clients and another 25 lakhs from development company. Total 50 lakhs business coming to vendor company. That is why, listen carefully, try to understand. This point is very important. In total IT industry or software industry, there are 3 key players. How many players? Come on, 3 players. Who is the first player? Companies. Second player,
Development company.
development companies. And who is the third player?
Clients.
Among these 3, okay, who will get more business? More profit? Vendor companies. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is why among these 3 people, vendor companies, people are more richest fellows in the world. Or I can say richest people in the world. Accepted or not? Guys,
Yes.
accepted or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose Bill Gates. Who is Bill Gates?
Microsoft.
Microsoft company owner. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Larry Ellison. Who is
Google.
Larry Ellison? Do you know? Oracle company owner. Mark Zuckerberg. Who is Mark Zuckerberg?
Facebook owner.
Facebook owner. So who are these people? Vendor company owners or not?
Yes.
That is why among these 3 people, vendor company owners are the more richest fellows in the world. Understand the point here? I can say they are the more richest fellows in the world. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good. Because they are getting more business than development companies and clients. Good. Now, one simple question I'm asking. We are in software industry. In the software industry, software versions keep on changing or not? Come on,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
keep on changing. And also, one more important thing is, suppose today TCS bought ABAP programming language worth of 5 lakhs, Oracle database 15 lakhs, Windows operating system 5 lakhs. Tell me, is TCS and client, they can use all these 3 products lifelong forever and ever? No.
No, sir.
They give the license up to maximum 4 to 5 years. License period is only max to, come on, 5 to.
Sir.
Point is clear.
Yeah.
Everyone in the class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After 6 years or after 5 years, again they have to renew the software, renew the license. And also, as I said, versions keep on changing. Whenever version will change, again they have to purchase a new license or not for new version. Come on.
Yes, sir. They'll have to.
Yes, sir.
So they keep on what? Upgrading the software. Okay. Whenever they upgrade the software, every time you have to install what? Come on. Install the software. And also they have to maintain the software. So both the clients and development companies, they need to keep on upgrading the software. They need to keep on installing the software. They need to keep on maintaining the software. Upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by development companies and clients on their own. Point clear?
Yes.
Upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by by whom? Come on. Whom? Development companies, clients on there. Come on. The point is clear now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is why it happens what? It leads to increase the business cost. My point is clear? Because every time development companies and clients, they need to keep on upgrading the software, installing the software, maintaining the software. Every time they have to purchase the license. Yes or no? It leads to
Yes, sir.
increasing the cost or not? Maintenance cost, installation cost, upgradation cost. It leads to increase what? Cost. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So to avoid this problem, actually because of cost problem, only top level companies are using software applications in their business, but not, come on, small companies. Only top level companies are using software applications, but not small companies. Why? Because small companies cannot afford what? Cost. For example, for your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. Everybody know about KFC. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I'm going to the KFC, I ordered one burger. There is a person who is standing in front of the system. They takes my order. He feeds the order into the system. He given some token to me, printed token. I need to wait for some time. After that, I will get the order. Now tell me, if you go to the KFC restaurant, tell me, they are having phone systems or not? Computer systems. Come on.
Yes, sir, they do.
And also they're having its own software application to run their business. Accept it or not. Means that KFC using what? Software application to run this business. Suppose in Hyderabad, there is a small bakery. I went to the bakery, I ordered one burger. The bakery owner takes my order and gives the order to me. He do not maintain any systems. Don't maintain any systems. And don't maintain any, come on. Systems and don't maintain any what? Software. Why? Because
But
bakery owner
it's
cannot
It's a
afford
small
what?
business.
Cost. But KFC can afford what? Cost. Why? Because KFC has lots of branches across the globe, across the world. Sir,
Yes.
that is why KFC business turnover in crores. Business turnover. Business turnover in where? Crores. But whereas bakery business turnover, maximum thousands or max. Yes or no? That is why the bakery owner cannot afford what? This cost. But whereas KFC owner can afford what? The point is clear now. So according to this example, what you understand is KFC is a big company. I can say it's a top level company. They can use software applications in the business because they can afford what cost. But whereas bakery is a small company, they cannot afford what cost. According to this point, what you understand is only top level companies are using software applications in the business, but not what here? Small companies. I hope all of you understand this example. I hope all of you understand the comparison between KFC and bakery here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Chandan,
Yes, sir.
Rohit Raj,
Yes, sir.
Ashwini, Aniket, everyone in
sir.
the classroom. Yeah, Chandrasekhar, Dubey,
Yeah.
Nagesh, Rajesh, Sai Vikas, Suri Teja, Asif, everyone in the classroom.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Sir.
All of you understand the comparison between KFC and bakery?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Why KFC can use the software applications? Because they can afford. Because business turnover in crores. But whereas bakery cannot afford. Now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now all of you understand the drawbacks or the difficulties of using software application. What are the difficulties? Tell me. What are the difficulties?
Cost.
Difficulties
Awesome.
are both the clients and development companies. Both the clients and development companies. They need to keep on. What is this?
Upgrading the software,
Ah.
installing the software, and maintaining the
Software.
software.
Everything will be taken care of by development companies and clients only. Sir, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It
sir.
leads to what? Increasing the cost.
Cost.
That is a major problem. That is a major difficulty. To avoid this problem, tell me, if you reduce the cost, then automatically customers also will increase or not. Tell me. Let us take a small example. I'm using Clean Company t-shirt. What the t-shirt I wear right now? Calvin Klein. Okay. This t-shirt cost is 5,000. Tell me how many people can afford this t-shirt cost? Out of 100 people, maximum 5 people. So this company getting how much business? Only 25,000. Yes or no? 5 into 5, 25,000.
Yes.
Suppose this company reduces the cost of t-shirt from 5,000 to 2,000, then 80 people can afford. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
80 people means how much business? 1,60,000 business. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
It means that if you reduce the cost, then customers will increase. If customers will increase, then automatically you'll get more business or not.
Yes, sir.
Come
Yes,
on.
sir. Yes, sir.
Cost 5,000. Only five members can buy this. How much business? 25,000. If you reduce the cost from 5,000 to 2,000, then how many customers can buy it?
80.
80 into 2,000. 1,60,000 business. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you reduce the cost, customers will increase. If customers will increase, then you'll get more profit. Yes or no?
Yes.
Like that. In the same way, If you reduce the cost, because cost is increasing. If you decrease the cost, then customers will increase. Yes or no?
Yes.
If customers will increase, then automatically you'll get more profit. How to reduce the cost? How to reduce and all of you. How to reduce the cost? That is why vendor companies come up with a new concept. Name is called one. What is
Cloud
this?
cloud computing.
Cloud computing. Understand everyone? What is this? Cloud computing. Cloud computing is going to reduce the cost. Then automatic customers are increasing. First of all, what is and how it reduces the setup cost? Everything I will discuss in tomorrow class. Understand all of you? Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
In today class, we just discussed about only 3 points. What is the point number 1? What is Salesforce? Point number 2. What are the advantages of using software applications? Point number 3. What are the difficulties of using software applications? Only 3 points we discussed in today's session. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is first point?
What is Salesforce?
What is Salesforce? What is second point?
Types of companies.
No, that's okay. What are the advantages
Advantages.
Advantages.
of using
Software.
software applications? Third one,
What are the difficulties? to using
difficulties of using
software application?
software applications. So these are the points we discussed. What are the advantages? Time saving,
Security,
Security.
scalability.
scalability. What are the difficulties?
Upgrade the
Every
software.
time we need to upgrade,
Install.
every time we have to install, every time we have to
Maintain.
it
Maintain
leads
the
to
life.
increase the setup cost. Or no? Clear? What is Salesforce? It's a vendor company.
Found in
Like
1919.
Microsoft, started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. And who is the CEO of this company?
Mark Benioff.
Company runs on the concept name is called.
Cloud computing.
Cloud computing.
So tomorrow class we will discuss about what?
Cloud computing.
Cloud computing.
So tomorrow class, what we are going to discuss is what is cloud computing and what are the services given by vendor company over the cloud, like IaaS, and SaaS. These are the 2 points I'm going to discuss in tomorrow's session. And all of you, guys,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
can you hear me or not?
Yes, sir.
So these are the 3 points in today's class we discussed, and these are the 2 points we are going to discuss in tomorrow's class. Is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
And coming to your syllabus, I hope you understand today's class. If anybody have any doubts regarding today's class, you please ask the questions. Am I going fast? Rohit Raj?
Yes,
Chandan,
sir.
am I going fast?
No, sir.
Am I going slow?
No.
Speed is good, Sai.
Huh? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
am I going fast? Am I going slow? Tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
It's a
No,
good.
sir.
It's good.
Are they going the same pace?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All of you understand the class today?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Any doubts?
No,
No
sir.
doubt.
I hope all of you enjoyed the class today.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Tomorrow class, we will discuss about what is cloud computing and what are the services given by vendor company over the cloud regarding IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. These are the points we are going to discuss in tomorrow's session. And coming to your syllabus, and carefully, I'm going to cover 6 modules. How many
6 more.
modules? One is configuration module, development, integration, admin, administration, CRM. What is this?
Right.
Like, these are the 6 modules I'm going to cover. Span of how many months? 3 months. Every day. Okay. We will provide money notes, materials, interview questions, recordings, everyday class recordings. And if you want to write any exams, certification exam, I will provide the dumps. And also every day I'll give the assignments at the end of the class. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. I hope all of you understand the class today.
Yes, sir.
You do not require any one important point carefully. You do not require any programming language knowledge. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
The programming language not need. Here, everything will be taken care of from my side. And also at the completion of the syllabus, I'll give you some mini project. If you want, you can do one. Understand all of you?
Yes.
Okay, everyone. Understand Bhargav Reddy? I will provide the project. That is about today's class, guys. I hope all of you understand the class and enjoy the class too.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, and I'll catch you tomorrow same time at 8 o'clock. Thank you, guys.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Damini. Can hello, Chandan,
Good morning, sir.
Tausif, Aniket, Damini.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I thought one student joined today, John Serald. Can you hear me? Mahi, Raj P, Sai Vikas, Rohit Raj.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, all. Good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
Everyone can view my screen. I'm going to share my screen now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Good. Is anyone joined today? Please unmute. I can talk with me, please.
Yes, sir.
Anyone joined today? Newcomers? I think one student, his name is John Herald. John, can hear me? John, can hear me? Who is Mahi Mahi? Is it Mahendra Singh Dhoni or what? Hello?
Sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Please, what's your name?
Mahesh.
Mahesh, okay. Is this your first class, Mahesh?
Yes, sir.
Good. Fine. Everyone can view my screen clearly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So let us start the class. Let us start the session. Started, sir. Important topic. Okay. So I'm going to recap the points what we discussed in the last class, first 5-10 minutes. Then after we will enter into today's class. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. In yesterday's class, everybody please unmute and talk with me. And don't hesitate to ask the questions. Feel free. Treat me like your friend. If you do not understand any point, feel free to ask the questions. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Everybody
Yes.
please unmute and talk with me. So listen carefully and try to understand here. In the last session, we were discussing about the 3 important points. The point number 1 is, what is Salesforce? Point number 2, what are the advantages of using software applications in the business? And what are the difficulties of using software application? So these are the 3 important points in the last class we discussed. Coming to the first point, what is Salesforce? Salesforce is a vendor company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company's CEO is Mark Benioff. This company runs on the concept name called cloud computing. So once again, I'm repeating, guys, listen carefully. Salesforce is a vendor company, just like Microsoft, IBM, Google, SAP, Oracle, PeopleSoft. There are so many vendor companies in the world. Like those companies, Salesforce is also a vendor company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. The company's CEO is Mark Benioff. This company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. This is the background history of Salesforce company. Second point, what we discussed in the last session is, we are using software applications daily in your life. Wherever you go, in all business verticals, the people are using what? Software applications. When you go to any bank, when you go to any shopping mall, when you go to any hotel, when you go to any college, when you go to any university, when you go to any insurance company, when you go to any telecom company, wherever you go, the people are using software applications nowadays. What are the advantages of using software applications in our daily business, in our daily scenarios? There are 3 major advantages of using software applications in the business. The first and foremost advantage is what here? It saves your time. The second advantage, it gives security. The third advantage, what here? Scalability. There are the 3 major advantages of using software applications. I given very elaborate examples yesterday, how time will save, how you get the security, and what is exact meaning of scalability. Yes or no, all of you? Also, we were discussed about what are the difficulties of using software applications by clients and development companies. For both clients and development companies, they need to keep on upgrading the software. They need to keep on installing the software, also maintain the software. It leads to increase the setup cost. So these are the 3 major difficulties of using software applications by clients and development companies. So these are the 3 important points we discussed in the last session. What is Salesforce? What are the advantages of using software applications? And what are the difficulties of using software applications? I hope all of you understand all these 3 points. Yes or no? Everyone in the classroom. Chandan, Rohit,
Yes,
Amini,
Yes, sir.
Aniket, everyone in the class. Good. Okay, Mahesh, everyone. John. Good. Basically, in total IT industry, there are three important key players are there. How many key players in IT industry? One. Three players. In IT industry, there are three key players. Who is the first player? Vendor companies. And the second person, development company. And third person is client. Yes or no?
Yes.
Who are the vendor companies in the market? I wrote some examples also. What is that? Google, Microsoft, SAP, Oracle, IBM, like what? Salesforce. These companies can be called as what? Vendor companies. Vendor companies can also be called as product-based companies. These companies are developing what? Software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases, some technologies, packages, some applications. These are all what? Software products. Understand all of you. All these software products are manufactured by vendor companies or product-based companies. Using these products, development companies or service-based companies like TCS, Cognizant, Accenture, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, Infotech. There are so many companies in the world. So there is no space to write. That many number of companies are there in the world. And these people are developing software applications as per the requirement of whom here? Come on. So who are the clients here? Clients are the business people. They are doing different kinds of business in the market. Some people are doing banking business. Some people are doing insurance business. Some people are doing hospital business. Some people are doing some automobile companies. Some people are doing some telecom business. So these people, we can call them as what? Clients. And the clients are going to use software applications in their business. What are the advantages of using software applications in the business? I already told you. It saves your time, is the security, and also you can achieve what? Scalability. And what are the disadvantages of using, difficulties of using software applications? Both the clients and development company, they need to keep on updating the software. They need to keep on installing the software. They need to keep on maintaining the software. It leads to increase the cost. Because of the cost, only top level companies are using what? Come on.
Software
Applications in the business, but not small companies. Yesterday, I given very beautiful example. Okay, between two companies here, KFC and a small bakery here. If you go to the KFC, suppose I ordered on burger there. A person who is sitting in front of the system, he enters my order into the system. I need to wait for some time. They given some printed token to me. After that, I will get the order. So if you go to the KFC restaurant, there the people are using what? Their own systems. They're having its own software to run the business. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I'm going to a small bakery there, and the bakery people does not maintain any systems and does not have any software. Clear all of you? Why KFC maintaining or using software applications in their business? Why not bakery? Because KFC has lots of branches across the globe, across the world. KFC company business turnover in crores, whereas bakery business in maximum thousands or lakhs. That is why the bakery owner cannot afford what? Cost. That's the reason the bakery owner cannot use software applications in their business. Whereas KFC people can use what software applications they can afford because their business turnover in crores. That's why. According to this example, what do you understand is only big companies, only top level companies, or only premium level companies are using software applications in the business, but not small companies. If you want to make use of small companies, also make use of software applications in the business, what we have to do? Only solution is what? The only solution is to reduce. Come on.
Is the cost.
How to reduce the cost? How to reduce the cost? That is why vendor companies come up with a new concept name is called something like, come on,
Cloud computing.
cloud computing. So now we will start today's session. What is the meaning of cloud computing? So today's session, I'm going to start with what is cloud computing. So all of you understand, as of now, whatever points we discussed, Chandan,
Yes.
Rohit,
Yes, sir.
me,
Yes, sir.
everyone in the class, Mahesh, John, Harold, everyone in the classroom. So what
Yes,
is
sir, I
Salesforce?
understand.
Asif? Yeah. What is Salesforce? What are the advantages of using software applications? And what are the difficulties of using software applications? And how those difficulties are overcome by cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? That is a point I'm going to discuss right now. Everybody, please look at the screen, concentrate all of you, and try to understand what I'm speaking here. Guys. Okay. Point. This topic is very, very important. Cloud computing. Cloud computing, it is a technology, or I can say it is a concept. It is a technology or a concept. Here, whatever IT services we need, everything provided by vendor company. As a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. Just try to understand the point. What is this? It is a technology or a concept. Here, whatever IT services we need, everything provided by whom? Come on,
Vendor companies.
vendor company. As a user, we just need only what?
Internet connections.
Internet connection and access those services. This is the exact meaning of what here? Cloud. Whatever IT services we require, information technology services we require, everything provided by whom here? Vendor company. If you want to access these services, you need only what? Come on.
Internet connection.
Internet connection. It do not require anything. If you have internet, you can access all the services, whatever you want and how much you want. Everything provided by vendor. Actually, before cloud computing, upgradation, installation, and maintenance. Come on. Everything will be taken care of by whom here? Come on. Everything will be
Development company and client.
clients. Very good. Everything will be taken care of by clients and development company on their own. It leads to, come on, cost. Unclear? That is a traditional way of approach. Yes or no? But once cloud computing came into the market, upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by whom? Vendor company. Whatever services you need, everything given by vendor company. As a user, you need only what? Internet connection. If we have internet facility, we can access all the services, whatever you want and how much you want. Every service provided by vendor company. That is the meaning of what? Cloud computing. How much services we are using? For that service only we need to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra. This concept name is called pay-per-use model. What is this? Pay-per-use model, or I can say plug-and-play model. The name itself implies pay-per-use. How much services we are using? For that service only we need to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra. Understand all of you? Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
For your better understanding about cloud computing, I'm going to give a small example, then you can understand clearly. Suppose every day, observe carefully, every day I want to check my mails and also I want to take printout. Every day I want to check my mails and also I want to take the printout. For that, what I have to do? Do I need to buy some laptop or not? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I need to buy some laptop. And also I need to buy some printer to take the printout. And also I need to buy some stationery. White papers and all. And also I need to take some internet connection. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Come on, everyone. I need to take some what? Internet connection. Tell me, laptop cost is how much approximately? 50,000. Printer cost approximately near about 20,000. Stationery cost approximately 500 rupees. Internet charges every month I need to pay near about 1,000 rupees to approximately 1,500. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the whole setup cost near about 70 to 75,000 I need to spend or not?
Yes, sir.